My name is T.C. Reynolds. I'm one of the partners at the Stratton & Reynolds Law Firm, and today I'm here to answer the question, what should I bring to my first estate planning appointment? We get this question a lot, and the very first thing you're going to need to do is to either call our office to get us to mail you a copy of our questionnaire we use for estate planning, or you can go to the forms section of our website and grab a copy. In addition to that questionnaire, which typically takes about 20 to 30 minutes depending on how organized you are, we also need you to bring deeds to any real estate you own in South Carolina, and if you own property in South Carolina, even if you have a mortgage on it, you should have the deed. It might be in your closing paperwork if you don't know where it is. In addition to that, we want you to bring copies of any old estate planning documents you might have, any pre or post nuptial agreements you may have done, and copies of any existing life insurance or long-term care insurance policies you have. If you have any more questions or you want to call to set up a consultation, please give us a call at 803-358-7214 or fill out the form here on the website.